All right, guys and girls, how are you doing today? My name is Ed Green. I'm here to talk to you about radio and radio protocol. When we look at the radio, there's a couple of things you need to take in consideration. The two main things is what channel you start on. Today, we'll be starting on channel 2. Why do you need to know what channel you start on? Quite simply, if you look at most radios, the on-off button is real close to the channel select button. If you go to turn your radio up or down and you don't know what channel you started on, you could possibly turn the radio to a different channel. If you do that and you don't know where you started, you won't know what channel to go back to. So always know what channel you start on. Second thing you need to take in consideration, does my radio work? The worst thing you can do is go on patrol and need help and call out and no one can hear you, or they can hear you but you can't hear them and they're trying to get more information. So what are the two things? Know what channel you start on and know if your radio works. So you just want to do a radio check before you go out. Ed going to Rafat.
Rafat to Ed.
Radio check.
Go radio.
Sound clear. Thank you. So you do a radio check. Makes no sense to be on the place that you're working, that position, and then ask for a radio check. So always do it before you take off. And one thing to take in consideration when you're given a radio, people are going to be right there by you. They're going to be doing radio checks. Don't allow them to say, I hear you loud and clear. You want to hear it over the radio. Some of the radios transmit out, but they don't transmit in. So if you have one that does not transmit in, you want to know then before you go on post, okay? Make sense?